Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. With us, we have our student Maniyarch, who recently got selected in Capgemini as an analyst in the month of June, July 2021. So let us get to know how was the rounds, what were the type of questions asked, how was the difficulty level, and few strategies which she used to crack Capgemini in the first attempt. So, hi, Mani.
Hi, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, sir. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. So on the outset, Mani, we are very happy to know that you got placed finally in Capgemini.
Thank you so much, sir.
And if I'm not wrong, I remember that you had before also applied in many companies.
Yes, sir. I got rejected in 3 companies continuously before getting in Capgemini, TCS,
Okay.
Tech Mahindra, and Wipro. And after getting 3 rejections, it was very hard for me to continue applying. That is why I joined Quant Masters because I felt somewhere that I have weaknesses which I am not able to analyze.
Hmm.
And I saw a video on
Hmm.
YouTube, and then
Hmm.
I searched on Insta as well. And
Hmm.
then I realized, okay, so this is what I'm looking for. Then
Okay.
I immediately joined Quant Masters without even thinking twice.
Uh,
And as soon as I joined, I realized where I was going wrong. My aptitude was quite low, weak,
hmm.
and your tricks helped me a lot.
Okay.
Before that, I was like, in a one question of quantitative aptitude, I
Hmm.
take 1 minute or 1.5 minute, but after joining your classes, I'm able to do it in 30 seconds or 20 seconds also. Now when I
Okay.
see any quantitative aptitude paper, it is like, oh, this is so easy for me, I can do it, I have seen it.
So
Not
only was it with respect to quant that you had to make an improvement?
not just quant, but my technical was also weak, especially when it comes to problem solving and logic building. I was
Hmm.
able to understand the code, but I cannot implement it well. So
Hmm.
Shashank's classes helped me a lot. He explains so well that he explains line to line and word to word. He
Hmm. Hmm.
explains what type of questions can come in competitive level of
Hmm.
exams.
Coding.
And
Okay.
it helped me a lot. Many of my doubts are cleared now. I'm able
Hmm.
to build logics and do. In fact, I'm doing on HackerRank as well as, and currently I'm having 3 stars on HackerRank. But
Superb.
i'm
Superb.
I'm trying more and more to push myself since I was weak, so I think this is good a start.
And I think a majority of students know have this issue. They're like, sir, we know the concepts, but when it comes to implementing it in companies, like
Yes,
problem statements when they give, that is where
yes.
we get stuck.
Yes, definitely. We are not able to analyze that what to do in the code. Just watching the constraints and input and output, we can
Mm,
make the code. You're looking into input and output, but we don't know that all the test cases will pass or not. So
mm,
it is very necessary to understand the main logic behind that problem.
okay,
So
okay.
Shashank sir's classes helped me a lot. And in
Uh,
interview as well, I am
uh,
very, very grateful to Quant Masters. Before
uh,
my Capgemini's interview,
mm,
I requested you, I remember I requested
mm,
you one day
mm,
prior that
mm,
I haven't gone through any mock. Please arrange for me. And
mm,
you, thank you
mm,
so much, sir. You arranged
uh,
it quickly. 2 mocks, not just one, but you arranged 2 mocks. And that
mm,
helped me a lot. I was very, very afraid of interviews.
mm,
Um, can I share one thing also? That
yeah.
my first interview was for TCS, and in that I messed up badly. When they
Mm,
started asking me coding questions, I got into pressure and couldn't handle it and left
mm,
the interview
mm, mm,
unknowingly that what will be the consequences after that. And
okay.
but when I took mock sessions of in Quant Masters, it helped me a lot.
Mm,
In first mock, I was very, very afraid. Sir
mm,
Selva sir helped me. He made me
mm,
comfortable. He taught me how to set
mm,
up your mind and everything. In second
mm,
class, in second mock session, you took my interview. You told me
mm,
all the
mm,
technical questions which can possibly come.
mm,
So when I was giving Capgemini's interview, I was very, very relaxed. I was
okay.
not having even this much of nervousness that time, because I was so
Well,
sure that I can answer all the questions. I have not a bit of fear. And
the problem, yeah, sorry, yeah.
no, sir, continue.
So the problem with many students is they are quite nervous when it comes
Yes,
to
sir.
taking interviews. So that you know, 1 or 2 mocks if they take up, they get quite acclimatized to that
Yes,
situation, and that nervousness will come down because they would have already gone through that.
yes,
I
sir.
think that the same thing helped you also.
Yes, sir, definitely. That helped me a lot.
Uh-huh.
And I must say that this couldn't be possible without Quan Masters. All the
Okay,
credit
well,
goes to Quan Masters.
I have not asked her to promote. She's doing promotions. Okay, so coming apart from that money, so we are very happy to know that you know you were able to crack, and we were also a part of your successful journey.
Yes,
And
sir.
now coming to the rounds, okay. So could you brief us, because right now there are many students who are applying for Capgemini, or in future will apply for Capgemini. So this video is made so that you know it helps all those students. Okay, so
Yes,
you
sir.
could share from the first round, first question, till the last round, last question, how much ever you remember, how much ever information that you could give, please do share.
Definitely, sir.
Hmm.
First round was written, in which there were basically quantitative questions and game-based aptitude questions, and there were verbal communication. So there were 4 stages actually. First was pseudocodes, and then
Hmm.
second was verbal. Third
Hmm.
was game-based aptitude,
Hmm.
and fourth was behavioral aptitude. Last round was not that mandatory. It was just like a survey, but starting 3 rounds were very quite you can say you need to manage time there, because in pseudocodes they have given 25 questions to solve in
Hmm.
25 minutes. And
Hmm.
after that, in verbal as well, they have given 35 questions to do in 35 minutes.
Hmm.
And after that, in game based aptitude 2, they have 4 types of games: inductive,
Hmm.
deductive,
Hmm.
grid challenge, and motion challenge, as much I remember. So
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
that there was no time limit, but yes, there was something like how much you can do in the
Hmm.
given time span, or they haven't allotted any kind of time, but they
Hmm.
are like how many you can do possibly.
Hmm.
So it was just to test your logics, and
Hmm.
how will you
How
manage
fast you
time.
could do. Yeah,
Yes,
how
sir.
fast you could do.
And as well as memory power also, because I remember one question where I
Hmm.
got a little stuck. There was,
Hmm.
you have to point dots on the screen, that
Hmm.
too in order, but it will come up like you will see one dot, then after you
Hmm.
will have to solve a puzzle.
Hmm.
Then they will show one dot, then puzzle, then one dot, then puzzle. It was
Hmm.
like 5 dots, and at the end you have to tell 5 dots position, that too with
Hmm.
sequence. So in that only I got a little bit of stuff, but other than that all the games were very easy. And let me tell you why, because in portal you have
Hmm.
told us all the games, which
Huh.
type of games can possibly come. You have
Hmm.
made us practice on that questions, since game
Hmm.
based
Hmm.
aptitudes was quite new.
Hmm.
So questions given on portal helped me a lot.
Okay. And whatever questions were there in our portal, were they sufficient enough to crack Capgemini?
Yes, sir, absolutely, absolutely. Switch challenge, motion challenge, grid challenge, match the pattern, everything was there on your portal. I
Okay.
cannot say, I must say that everything that comes in
Hmm.
company specific exams,
Hmm.
everything is available on your portal. I cannot
Okay.
say that this is missing or that is missing.
Okay. Okay. Super. And before we continue, Mani, we would like to know which branch are you from?
Sir, I'm from computer science branch.
So computer science branch. So when you took pseudocodes, how was the level of difficulty in pseudocodes?
Sir, actually, pseudocodes are quite easy to solve if you know the exact logic.
Mm-hmm.
Like they have given you I is equals to 3, then you have to print I plus 3, do loops, do while, kind of.
Hmm.
It was basically like using loops, loop statements, array, pointers, these kind
Switch,
of
switch
questions.
statements and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was just that if you know the logic, you can solve it
Hmm.
in minutes. So
Okay.
Shashank's lectures were
Hmm.
very helpful because he focuses on logic only. He
Okay.
always always explains the logic first after going ahead.
Okay. So pseudocodes was not that difficult for you.
Yes, sir, because I was clear with the logics thanks to Shashank sir.
Okay. So pseudocode, after pseudocode, then you had the verbal round.
Yes,
So
sir.
verbal, but in pseudocodes, let me get back to pseudocodes. In pseudocodes, so basically it was like snippet type. I mean,
Yes,
pseudocodes
sir.
were like, what is the expected output? What is
Yes, sir.
the
Yes, sir. Sort of that only.
only that. So it was revolving around all basics of programming, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. And some of the MCQs on DBMS and OOPS and data structures concepts as well. MCQ types. There were
Okay.
some MCQs as well, right?
The point to be noted on DBMS also questions were asked, on OOPS also it was asked, and
On data
on data
structures.
structures also it was asked. Okay.
Some
And
of the MCQs.
some out of 20, 25, right?
Right. I think out of 25, there were approx 10 questions from these concepts as well. You can
Okay.
say MCQ. Yeah.
Okay. So after the first round, you got the result of the first round itself. That is when you'll be attending the second round,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
second section, right? And maximum people got rejected in pseudocode round. Money.
You can say that because in pseudocodes, many people think that they will
Huh.
solve in minutes, but if their logic is not right, they cannot do it. They will stuck there.
Okay.
So
So
overconfidence
maximum
kills
people,
people.
so maximum people got rejected in the first round.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to the verbal round, can you tell me what type of questions were asked and what was the level of difficulty?
Uh, Actually, if you like Ritu ma'am said that if you know the literal meaning of words, na, you can solve any kind of verbal question. So there were simple questions on error finding, paragraph reading, and then answering the questions. And there were like find the correct word from the passage or given sentence, rebuild the sentence, what can we use there. So there were sort of questions like that only.
Okay.
Meanings were
Okay.
also asked.
And
Literal meanings were
reading
also asked.
comprehension questions?
Yes, sir, they were there.
Reading comprehension was also there. And how was the level of difficulty? Was it manageable? Was it very easy or was it medium?
Sir, it was manageable because reading comprehensive questions were quite lengthy. So there I had my most of the time lost that I have to read line to line to answer the questions, because if you cannot read the question paragraph perfectly, then you cannot answer it, because they
Correct.
are not asking simple questions like who did this, who did that. They are asking which sentence can switch this word, or which word refers to which sentence. So you have to go through it, and
Go through
you,
each and every line. Yeah, yeah.
yes sir, and you must know the literal meaning of words. Without that, it is impossible to answer those
It
questions.
is always advisable to do reading comprehension at the end because it consumes a lot of time. So
Yes
in
sir.
verbal part, always people try to do the RC part at the end, and whatever other topics are there, try to finish those first. Right, Money?
Right.
Okay. So verbal, you cleared, and then you had game-based aptitude. Game-based
Yes
aptitude, you
sir.
already have told 4 to 5 games you had, and
Yes
where you
sir.
got stuck in that memory-based, you took a lot of time. But anyways,
Yes.
you cleared even that, and then I think after game-based, there is no rejection happening. I mean, they do not
Yes
tell.
sir.
There might be, but they do not tell. Whoever enters the game-based enters even psychometry,
Yes sir.
right? So psychometry, how was it?
That was just a survey kind of round. I mean, they asked
Yeah.
2 questions and you have to rate yourself
Mm-hmm.
in between 5 or 10. They have given the bars as well, that how much will you rate in this, in yourself.
Actually, that is not survey. It is a lot that actually based on those results. Many people do not know this. Based on those results is your HR interview prepared. Do you know that?
No sir, I didn't know.
Based on your psychometry, your responses, they judge your state of mind. They get to know about your, what is your nature, what is your attitude, a lot about you. And
Yes,
they will try to focus more on those points itself in the HR interview.
I
Most of
I
the case.
didn't knew it. I didn't knew it.
Yeah.
I thought it is just kind of survey to test
Hmm.
that what kind of state or what personality a candidate
Ah.
acquires.
But that is needed. That is very important, which many people take it for granted. They're like, okay, survey, let's do something. And there will be questions which are contradicting to each other. Questions, they will repeat it again and again.
Yes, sir. There were repeated questions as well as.
Because they are checking how's your consistency. Are you contradicting or not? Are you being true
Yes,
or
sir.
are you faking answers? So there's a lot of thing involved in that psychometry. Okay, so please do not consider that, it is just a survey. No, it is not a survey.
Okay, sir. I will keep this in my mind next time
Yeah,
whenever I
yeah.
will give
Like,
exam.
and even people who are preparing for TCS, NQT, Ninja, Digital, whenever you take up psychometry, please be very careful. Questions will repeat again and again. Try to be, as uniform as possible with respect to your responses. Because if you give contradicting answers, uh, chances of you getting rejected will be more. So try not to do that. Okay, try to be especially in psychometry, try to be positive, open minded, ready to learn things, and also try to have a consistent, broader outlook, right, Mani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was about the first round. So all these happened on one day itself.
Yes, sir.
And do you know which day was this conducted?
Yes, sir. Of course. 5th of May.
5th of May 2021.
Yes, sir. 5th of May
Okay, then
2021. My slot was 3 p.m.
3 p.m. So, totally, how many questions, how many 4 rounds were there? How many minutes did you take for all the 4 rounds? Do you remember? Approximately
Yes, sir. We have allotted about of 2 hours,
2
but
hours.
I completed in I guess 1.5 hour. I took.
1.5 hours. Okay.
Yes, sir, because in game-based aptitude they haven't given the deadline. They have just
Uh,
told that how many you can possibly do, and in behavioral round also they haven't given
hmm,
the time limit. They're like,
okay.
take your time, do it. So
Okay. 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 Good. So, this was about the first round, which was taken on 5th of May 2021. Then, when did you get to know the result of this round?
I got to know on June 7. June 7? Yes, sir.
After 32 days, 32 to 33 days.
Yes, it was a long time,
And
and
and I remember you telling me that that many of them have got. I have still not got. I think
yes,
I'm
sir, yes,
rejected.
sir, yes, sir. I was like, this time also I have failed. This time also
Okay.
I have failed. But when I received my mail of interview schedule that I have
Hmm,
got selected for interview,
hmm,
now they will schedule my interview as well. So I
hmm,
got my mail of clearing the rounds on June 7th, and then my
hmm.
interview was scheduled on 28th June. I have to wait
Oh,
almost a month.
okay. Okay. This
Yes.
is okay. So I think you would have prepared really well in this 21 days.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Actually, you're quite fortunate because many students they get a mail today and they tell
yes,
tomorrow is
sir.
your interview.
Even I think so that I got fortunate.
Yeah, right. So now your interview was on 28th of June, is it?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell
And
me how was the experience right from the first minute of your interview?
sir, actually, they preponed my interview. They have told me they will conduct it at 12, but they
Ah,
mailed me at 10:30 that be ready for the interview. Your interview will be
hmm,
started in minutes.
hmm,
So I logged in. I was sitting
hmm.
and just gazing the screen. They were
Ah,
not calling. I was like, how much time they will take? They have called me so early. So my
hmm,
interview started off at 11:30, exact 11:30. It was started. Still
hmm,
half hour prior. So at 11:30 it started. The TR came, asked me
hmm,
about how am I doing, am I
hmm,
comfortable, and
hmm,
everything is good or not. He first
hmm,
made me comfortable,
hmm,
and then he asked me to introduce myself. I introduced
hmm,
myself, and I was so sure that I will mention my project because I
hmm,
wanted to save myself from coding.
hmm, hmm,
So somehow
hmm,
I just mentioned about my project, and
hmm,
as a result he only asked me about my project. So
hmm,
I want to suggest everyone that please mention your projects. They will,
hmm,
if you're mentioning your project now, they won't
hmm.
ask from anywhere else.
Correct. Hmm.
So
Okay.
they only asked me, I guess, 5 to 6 questions. That too only from my project.
I
from
think
which
this is
I,
this is the difference between he taking your interview and you giving your interview. That difference that we had even discussed in the class, right?
yes, sir.
Interview should be taken how you want it to be taken. So
Yes,
you
sir.
tell points in such a way that he focuses only on those points and
Yes,
catches
sir.
and throws questions on that. Good,
Yes.
good, good. Okay.
And when I was explaining my project, I use adjectives as well. I have made an interesting project, and
Uh-huh.
kind of I use the technologies which I have used.
Don't tell out all these secrets. Let us keep it in the class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay, okay.
Huh. Hmm.
So he just asked me 5 or 6 questions related to my project, from which
Hmm.
I think I was unable to answer only one question. So
Hmm.
after that, when I was not getting mail for HR, my heart was pumping so quickly that
Hmm.
am
Hmm.
I rejected? Am I rejected? Just
This
for that
happens,
one
this happens.
question.
Yeah, this happens a
Yes,
lot.
sir.
Yeah, right, right.
So
So,
I was asked to log in only.
hmm,
They mailed that please be seated there
keep
only.
it. Huh, huh.
They so after 1.5 hour, 90
Hmm,
minutes,
hmm,
my HR call came, and
hmm,
you won't believe, as
hmm,
soon as my HR started, it ended abruptly because of network. Not from
hmm,
my side, but because from their side. So
hmm,
what I did was I mailed Superset that
hmm,
my interview got ended abruptly and I want it
hmm,
again.
hmm.
Sorry, sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes, we can hear you. Please continue.
So I mailed them.
You spoke about network issue, and here we had network issues as well.
Yes.
Yeah. Huh.
So after that, again after 40 minutes, I
Hmm,
have to wait 40 minutes more to get
hmm,
my HR round conducted again.
hmm.
So my HR
No,
round,
all this is fine. 40 minutes. My students, few of my students, 9 o'clock, they had to wait till 5 o'clock. 6 hours, 8 hours also they have waited. So you're quite fortunate when it comes to only 40 minutes. Huh.
yes, yes. In HR round as well, she didn't ask me many questions. She only asked me basic questions that are you okay to remote location, and are you happy with the salary we are giving you? Is it okay
Hmm.
for you? Are you okay with the bond? I
Hmm.
remember she asked me that tell me something other than your academics.
Hmm.
What are your achievements other than your academics? So I mentioned about some of my sports achievements because I'm an
Hmm.
athlete. So
Hmm.
she got quite impressed with
Hmm.
that. She even, I
Hmm.
remember those words. She said, "Oh, wow, great." So,
Huh.
and she asked me about my management skills since I mentioned that I'm good at management skills.
Hmm.
So there were only few basic questions. If you're in HR round, if your communication is good, if you are confident enough, they won't ask you many questions. Though they won't dig up for it
Hmm.
until and
Okay.
unless you are using, you are faking it. They can
Correct, correct.
catch you in
They can
minutes.
easily make it out. I mean, they would have interviewed 1,000 plus students, okay? So
Yes,
when
sir.
you
Yes,
just
sir.
tell one single line, they will catch hold of it easily.
Yes, one more question I remember. She asked me about my team management skills, and she
Hmm.
asked me that if I had performed or participated in any of the events in my college or school. So I told her, and when she asked me that how you manage the team, I honestly answered that I didn't manage the team because I was the part of the team. So I
Hmm.
just performed my duties. She got
Hmm.
happy there also because
Hmm.
I didn't fake that I was leading a team and etc. She
Hmm.
asked me challenges I faced uh,
Hmm.
initially when I entered in college, or my choice was engineering or something else. She also asked me
Hmm.
this. So I told her that I landed up spontaneously, but now
Hmm.
I'm very happy in this field. She asked me
Hmm.
that if I got a chance to change
Hmm.
my field or change my option, then by then what
Hmm.
I've chosen. So I told her that I have chosen management
Hmm.
area. So yeah, there were only basic questions asked from
Hmm.
me in HR
Okay.
question, HR round.
Okay. 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 So, how many minutes did this last? 10 to 15 minutes?
Yes, so my TR round was actually very short. It was of exact 13 minutes, and my TR HR round was of 15 to 16 minutes.
No, everybody, it's the same. I mean, all the students of mine who have
Yes, sir.
given
Yes, sir.
maximum 15 minutes, or I would say 17 to 18 minutes max to max, not more than that. So you just have to perform well in that 15 minutes of your time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And let me share one more thing that
Huh.
my interview was very, very good. I was very afraid that what will I perform there, but
Hmm.
my interview went very well. And at
Hmm.
the end, she also asked me to show my identity card,
Hmm.
uh, Aadhaar card or school, college ID, anything. So I was like, if I got selected, I was thinking like that, am I got selected like that question? So when I didn't receive the IoT
Hmm.
for IOL, I'm sorry,
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
IOL, even after
Hmm.
10 days, I was very, very anxious. I was like,
Hmm.
am I rejected again? What is
Was that just a
happening?
formality which they asked?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was very, very afraid. I was like, everybody have received. Why not me? But
I would tell you one thing, Mani. Not only you, it even applies to all the students who,
yes,
they give their interviews and they wait anxiously, very curiously about the result. They break their peace of mind. Okay. See, you have done your job. You don't have to worry. I understand that it is quite important. It means a lot. But always see through it that not only this, even in life also, in future also, that whenever you do something which is something very important, no, you just give your 100%, leave it. You go ahead, start preparing. Okay, don't have expectation. Don't keep waiting for it. Okay, you will lose your peace of mind.
yes,
Are you
sir.
getting it? So you
Yes, sir.
leave that thought and you're like, okay, if it comes well and good, you will feel double happy when you get to know you got selected in Capgemini. Are you
Yes,
getting it? So the only thing is I don't want you to be anxious. Don't be anxious. Just leave it. If it happens, it'll happen. It'll come in its time. Till then, now I have this time. Instead of feeling anxious, let me be productive. Okay. Let me shift my focus to something else. Right?
yes, sir. So
Huh.
I received my IOL
Huh.
on 8th of July while I
8th
was
of July.
attending
So
your
20.
class.
So 20. Huh. Right. You were in my class. I was doing seating arrangement and you
Yes,
mentioned.
sir. And I texted you that I got selected.
Yeah, right. So from 28th of June till 8th of July, I think 10 to 12 days of yours was filled with anxiousness.
Yes, sir. Those 10 days were like 100
Huh.
days.
I know, I know. Super. So then you got selected and you informed us. We were quite happy. So, Mani, one thing, to students who are watching this video, okay, so one advice that you would tell or strategy that you would like to tell, because we do it, okay, because we also tell our students and we tell the same thing again and again. So if you tell new students in the video, every time someone new comes, they'll have some new strategy. So it'll be
Yes, sir.
quite refreshing to hear. So what was your strategy or what advice would you like to give?
Sir, I would like to advise that prepare yourself very well and
Hmm.
have faith on yourself. And
Hmm.
while giving interview, keep your confidence high. Not overconfidence, but yeah,
Hmm.
confidence.
Hmm.
They are looking for confident candidates as well. So
Hmm. Hmm.
first advice is be prepared,
Hmm.
practice as much as you can
Hmm.
so that nobody can point your mistakes. And
Hmm.
second advice is have faith on yourself and be confident.
Okay. And when it comes to
And be
preparation,
and have faith on Quant Masters as well.
okay, if not Quant Master, suppose students are not joining Quant Master, so any other website or anything that you would recommend, like India Bricks is one website or anything, if they're not a part of Quant Master, do you have any idea about it?
Sir, I haven't been to any other website. My whole thing was I got
One-sided.
everything from Quant Masters, from notes to
Huh.
practice questions, from mock interviews, mock tests. I got
Mhm.
everything here, so I don't have to go anywhere else. So
Okay.
I cannot
Okay.
answer it.
Okay, no problem. So you mean to say that practice well, revise properly, and have the confidence? Because obviously, yeah, if I'm not confident on myself, how will the
Yes, sir.
HR have confidence to select me in the interview?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So that is the most important factor, the confidence with which you're talking. Even
Yes,
now, if students are listening to you, it's because of your confidence. If they're listening to me, it is because of
yes.
our confidence,
Now
right?
I'm very confident, sir.
Yeah, yeah, we can see that, it is coming out. Confidence is coming out. Good. And
Yes,
we are
sir.
very happy, especially when you get rejected in 3 companies, 4 companies,
Yes.
when your morale goes down. Correct. that
Definitely, sir.
bringing back that confidence is the first thing that we need to do before we even get placed.
Yes, sir. Quan
They
Masters
tell
helped
it
me a
right.
lot
They
to
tell it.
uplift myself.
They tell it right. Before you win a war on the field, you have to win it in your heart. Once you win it in your heart, you're almost 50% there. And then when you've won over here inside your heart, you'll definitely win it over there.
Yes,
Right?
sir. Definitely.
Superb. So thank you so much, Mani, for providing your information. I'm sure that it will help a lot of students. One last question. This is like promotion type. You can take it.
Of
That
course, sir.
how was your experience with Quant Masters? Was it worth? And would you recommend students to join Quant Masters?
I would like to say only in one line that
Huh.
please join Quant Masters. You will get placed. Definitely, I am guaranteeing you that if I can get placed, even getting after 3 rejections from that top MNCs like TCS, Tech Mahindra, and I think Wipro, all are big MNCs. So
Hmm.
please join Quant Masters if you are listening to me. Have faith on my words as well. I got
Huh.
placed, you will get placed too. You will get everything here. You
Okay.
don't have to rush anywhere else. If you
Huh.
will go anywhere else now, you have to open up 10 tabs to study
Okay.
one thing. But here you
Hmm.
have to just open up one tab, and in before I can guarantee that I got placed. I guess I got placed even before ending of our live
The
sessions.
batch. Yeah.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right. Hmm.
So it was
Hmm.
very helpful for me, and
Okay.
I'm forever grateful to Quant Masters, and I will
Superb.
suggest
And
everyone.
one thing about this is even money. We recently ended our batch also, right? I mean,
Right.
every time a student leaves, I personally get very sad that we will not be training them again. Every morning 6 o'clock we will not be meeting, because every day we used to wake up at 6 o'clock. We used to have
Yes,
that Joe 6 to 8 o'clock when the entire world is sleeping. We were learning together.
yes, I will miss those sessions so much.
Right, right. And even it is more like a family type of bonding
Yes,
that
sir,
we have.
definitely. All the trainers are so helpful that whenever I
Hmm.
ask them, sir, I got stuck here. Can you clear my doubt? Immediately they reply and they
Hmm.
answer our questions. And if required, they give
Hmm.
us like separate doubt sessions as well, just to clear
Hmm.
our doubts. So all
Hmm.
the trainers here are so good that they will
Hmm.
help you in each and every step.
Okay. Now, if you tell more, people will start thinking that you are a part of us only. You're a part of our team and you're promoting. Okay. So, anyways, we are very happy, Mani, and
Yes,
from the bottom of the heart, I am personally very happy to see you
thank
get
you,
placed
sir.
after seeing a lot of difficulties that you had to face, a lot of rejections that you have to face. And I'm also very satisfied that, Quant Masters has justified your time, efforts,
Definitely, sir,
and the energy
definitely.
that you have invested.
Definitely, sir.
Okay. So with this, I wish you all the best, Money. Okay. Take
Thank
good
you,
care of
sir.
yourselves. May you get the best in life, and
Thank you,
any
sir.
issue, any thing needed, you know whom to contact, right?
Yes,
So I
sir.
don't have to talk about it. Okay. So
Sure,
thank you
sir.
so much for your time. Sunday, you have taken out time and you have spent with us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
My privilege, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So this was Money with us, our student who recently got placed in Capgemini in June 2021 as an analyst with a package of 3.8 LPA. And I'm very sure in the coming sands of time, this will get exponentially high for sure because of her positive attitude and the way she is. Okay. So I hope this video has helped all of you. I wish you all the best if you're preparing for Capgemini. Take good care of yourselves, keep smiling and keep safe. Bye, people.
Thank you, sir.